What is up, Cooley MOB?
Coolin' with the Coolies and the Cooley MOB. Kids, you should come and kick it with the Cooley MOB. Cause it's the Cooley MOB. It's the Cooley MOB. Come and kick it with the Cooley MOB. We on some Cooley MOB shit.
All right, you guys, so let me fix this tripod real quick. Like, you in the camera. All right, you guys, so we are about to make some dinner. What are we making? We're making that. We're making chicken. You guys want to see? We are making chicken. I just put the meat out today, you know, put it in the sink or whatever like that. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make some chicken tonight. So I pulled the chicken out. I was gonna make a little quick meal by myself, but little Miss Kennedy came in the kitchen and said, "Mommy, let me help you." Right? Isn't that what you said? Yeah. So now Kennedy's gonna help me. Jaxon came along, he's gonna help me as well. They've been eating the bell peppers bare, but now I have seasoned it and stuff like that and put oil over it, so I don't really want them to eat it like anymore. But yeah, we're just trying to gather up our meal. Huh? Oh, we painted nails today. You gonna show Cooley MOB your nails? Let me see. Oh, Kennedy got pink. See? I got pink. Jaxon, what color you got?
I got green.
You got green, yes.
You got presents.
Yeah. All right, you guys, so. Oh, my nails? Okay, this is what we cooking. They want you guys to see my nails. I'm about to paint my toes once we get everything. I'm about to paint my toes once we get everything in the oven. But for now, all we have is baked beans about to happen with some chicken. Yes, with some chicken. Yeah, baby, I don't want you to eat all that seasoning though, okay, baby? You're not? Okay, so put it back in the pan, please. I want you to eat it cooked. Mommy seasoned it now. I don't want you to eat it. No, you want to eat all the seasoning. That's a lot of salt right there, okay? Because it's just all on top. I needed to cook and just be into the chicken, okay? Yo, I love them. Look at them.
But that's tasted them, Mommy.
You tasted them? It's good? Please stop. He is literally dragging off all the seasoning and licking it. That is not good. Don't do that, baby. It's too much salt, okay? The seasoning is for the chicken. For the chicken to get all the seasoning because I only season one side. So it's a lot on that one side so it could cook and go to the bottom as well and all over the chicken. Okay? Okay, so mommy, you gotta back up so mommy can open the oven and put the chicken in. So I think we're gonna probably make some bread. Y'all see my hair though? Like, one time for the one side. Hey. Oh. This is like day 3, by the way.
Mommy, Dad sneezed on me.
He sneezed on you? Baby, so that mean you sneeze on the food too?
No.
You gotta cover your mouth. Remember how did mommy tell you to sneeze? Right. And your arm of chew. So that way you don't sneeze on anybody else, right? Right. Alright, so the camera about to die, so it's probably gonna be different quality because I'm gonna be going from my camera to my phone. But y'all get the gist. Cooking with the Coolies. You already know. We already took Paw Patrol medicine today. You can't have more Paw Patrol medicine. You only take 1 a day.
Take 2.
No, you gotta be like 4 or 5 to take 2.
I like 4.
4? No, way too much.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to cooking.
What?
All right, we're putting the beans in. Yep. It's so yummy. All right, so we're not gonna turn the beans on until the chicken is like halfway cooked, and then we're gonna make brownies. Want to make brownies?
No.
No brownies?
No.
7.
Nasty.
Brownies are nasty?
Yeah.
What? I love brownies.
I love mine.
Okay.
Mama said I don't love brownies. Go back. Take it. Go check your mommy. can go play. And then I can eat my food and then drink my milk and then go play.
Yep.
And then I'm going to eat my food, I'm going to drink my milk, I'm going to play.
Good job. All right, you guys. Bon appetit. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Say bye, Cooley MOB.
Bye, Cooley Mom.
You can say bye, Cooley MOB?
No, I'm going to drink my milk.
All right.
I want to say
Okay.
bye.
Say bye.
Bye, Cooley Mom.
Bye,
Bye,
Cooley.
chicken.
Bye, chicken.
Bye, chicken.
Oh, not a chicken. You guys are so silly.
Bye, Mom.
Coolin' with the Coolies and the Cooley MOB. Kids, you should come and kick it with the Cooley MOB. Cause it's the Cooley MOB. It's the Cooley MOB. Come and kick it with the Cooley MOB. We on some Cooley MOB shit.